Hi, we'll be going over how to use iyarn templates to easily get started with checking in. Iyarn has a wide range of templates for you to quickly set up wheels for your teams, organizations, or personal use. After you've created your iyarn account, go to the templates page where you'll see various templates based on the persona you signed in with. You'll find templates for research, life tracking, workplace wellness, schools, and healthcare. You can also create your own custom templates that team members within your organization can download and use. Let's say we want to use the community engagement template. Simply click on it, then click Template Details to see more information about the template. You'll see it shows whether it's private or public, the segments or areas you'll be reflecting on, and all the pre-populated questions and descriptions that come with it. To use this template, just click Use Template. You can alter the name if you want. For example, change it to Example Community Check-in, then click Create. Just like that, you've got a pre-populated check-in wheel with professional questions and segments ready to use. You can complete it yourself or share it with your team and users immediately. Please visit our other tutorial videos for more information.